So I'm a professional coder. As you can clearly see, I know how to do stuff. You don't look at the title. This is not a mod. Anyways, I'm gonna give you an example of how to write incredible amounts of interesting code that allows you to hack Fortnite. Okay, all of this means kill yourself. Like your mom told you to. Anyways, and that's how you make it look nicer. And some other stuff is this is what I like to call the keyboard code. And then all you need to do is add some binary is to add some simple lines of numbers. You're supposed to do this because you want to copy. Nah, just kidding. You want to copy. Oh, you want to write NRG. Yep. And you want to copy the previous amounts of code you've done. Perfection. Then you just want to delete some of it because then it will work better. Because then it will work better. Like this. Make sure you're really deleting all of it. And like right here, for example, in just the most random places, add your copied code. Zoom out, because this is how much you've done. You're gonna copy, you're gonna zoom in, and you're gonna paste. Like that. And then you're gonna write down your code. You're gonna write down your code. That was definitely not an apartment. And then you want to alter for. That was beautiful. But let's make another one. Do, do, do. So you want to create your new tech. Your that's yeah. You want to rename it to new coding, and you'll automatically have a lot of code in it. Just wait a few seconds. Okay, guys. You just want to quickly write down. You just want to quickly. This looks an apartment. Let me just. You just want to quickly write down apartment code. What else? Don't worry, don't worry. I'm doing everything myself. You just want to quickly. Copy, paste. I mean, you just want to quickly write down some very important, groundbreaking code. This is the wrong one. You just want to quickly write down some mama. some simple, extraordinary code. And then as you can see, actually I'll zoom it in. As you can clearly see, I know what I'm doing. I'm a professional. I'm a professional coder. Can't say otherwise. Let me just add some binary to this. Yeah. Freeze as well. Freeze are a part of binary. Numbers are the most important. Do this. Confuse the software that was built by dummies. Add some numbers here. Oh wait, this computer is stopping me from coding. As you can clearly see, all of this will work. I don't know what it does, but it's very important for the survival of the planet. Now, after you're done, you just want to delete everything you've done because your coding is never even superior to mine. Your coding was not even remotely close to mine. And then you just want to delete. You just want to delete a little bit of it. Like something like this. Whoop. Whoop. Whoopsie doopsie. Sorry. Whoop. And then you have all this amazing code. There is lasagna, as per usual. You want to also copy and paste some links, like eBay. What else? RTX. And then you'll see that you've now gotten RTX 35,000 code, as you can clearly tell. So make sure you like, subscribe, and watch this and hit that notification bell, because this was the coding tutorial for noobs. Doing your mom.